Hey guys, it's Owloves here and welcome back to another video. And today I've got some exciting news. Now, yesterday, well actually, would it be yesterday? Well, sometime between yesterday and the early hours of this morning, Animal Jam reposted some of my art. I'll put it on the screen around about here or at the end of the video. And basically I got this, which means I'm getting a plaque. I got noticed by AJHQ, but you know, I think that's pretty cool. And also sorry for the infrequent uploads. I've just been doing a lot of, you know, schoolwork and stuff because important. But from AJHQ it says, "We love your Animal Jam fan art. Here is a plaque to show our appreciation." And oh my god, sorry, I needed to. Thanks for being such a great jammer. Here's a gift to show our appreciation. Click to get your gift. A gift from AJHQ. Community fan art pack. Keep when it's full. Dear. What to delete? And also, I should be streaming around this week at some point because I'm on half term, which is cool, I guess. So, yeah, I just need to find something to delete. I can get rid of the. Let's get rid of this. I don't really exactly need that, but there we go. We got that. I just got a jammogram. Let's see what this is. Which way? Okay. So I'm gonna go to that person's den in a minute, but first of all, I put my plaque somewhere in a den. I know I did. No, that's not how I do dens. Okay, art gallery. I should have some of them in here, because I know I have plaques for a start. Let's see that I have that one. Okay, let's move some of this. Let's move this to the side. Let's move this up there. And then we can put my thing here. Okay, yay! Okay guys, so I'm going to go to that person's den in a minute. So, I'll see you guys next time. I just wanted to, oh, hello, fan art. I just wanted to show you some cool thing that just happened recently, and I'm over the moon. So yeah, there it is. Come to my den, you can see it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and the suggestions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, Owlets.